we should hit the crossing at about 20-ish. About that time, I'll set another 10 pounds of air and go down, and it'll squat right before we get to that 10. We wouldn't really do it this morning because we didn't have all the extra bars. It doesn't seem like it's going to slow down because we hold it. Well, as soon as we start hitting that curve and leveling out, you tell them, get it. First time I heard a dog bark.
My dog don't bark.
My dog does. My dog barks, my dog whines, my dog screams.
Go home with anybody.
Oh, mine will too. See, it's already started squatting. Southern 93 West, restricting proceed CB Hondo out.
It's 10 mile an hour.
Yep, 10. I don't know how long you plan on being here, but these are the quirks that I've learned since I've been here.
Contracts through January. Second week of January. It's her contract.
Her contract? Oh, hers.
She's a travel nurse again.
Well, that's about the time they want to cut us out, about the second week of January. So
I thought they were talking about. They were talking.
I have no idea. They were talking about wanting to hire me full time. I said, you're not hiring me for $35 an hour. Off that 10.
Up that 10.
So we're off the 10.
I thought you said up that 10.
No, up at a 10 ain't gonna be enough either. I already told him, I said, if you're not gonna pay me any more than you're paying me now, or any less than you're paying, if you're gonna offer me less than I'm making now, I'm not gonna stay around.
What would you need to make hourly?
Shit.
What do we bring home right now?
Oh, if you count,
Before taxes?
but you also gotta count per diem and fucking my hotel room. You gotta count all that shit.
Yeah.
So, I figured out about 180 a year. 185-ish.
No.
Not even
Well, I guess
here, because it's here. If it would have been anywhere else, you could probably drop it down.
You gotta run here and get that from.
They're doing it now.
I mean, full time.
Well, I'm not holding my breath, that's for fucking sure.
If they do, by God.
I know, why would I not take it? So this engine does not have that quick release function. So if you set 10 pounds of air, it won't release those brakes any faster. Huh? That was bad.
No.
Oh, it's a sting? No, it ain't me. No. No. That was the emergency last night. I did too. I went up there too. That's That's why I started the engine late, because I was like, I gotta go to the bathroom. Well, my wife and her girlfriends were there, so I was like, fuck, I need to talk to them first. So when they left, I went to the bathroom myself.
So y'all are in the house.
He was in a house, even closer than me. And Scott's a little bit of a hothead. Scott's the CFO, the money man.
Okay.
He's a little bit of a hothead when it comes to.
I almost told him I wanted more money.
It's not horrible, babe.
I was making 47.
Okay, it's a little bit more. And you're having to drive. And you're having to drive.
I wonder if there's anyone going to go back to the job. That's all they got is y'all two, right?
Janice, that's it.
Oh, we got some good
I got a lot of
There's some little work over there.
Dude, when I got here, this place. This place was a hate. Onboard staff did not fucking like operations and vice versa. It was a, we're in charge. And I came through, and I'm not trying to brag, but I came through and with a positive attitude, I'm willing to help, and a safety mentality, and I fucking changed everything, making it safe and being friends with everybody, and or I should say being friendly.
That's
with
my
everybody.
pay until I mark up with you guys, right?
Do what?
That's my pay until I mark up with you guys, right?
Right.
For my few days of training or whatever it's called. Then where are we at?
I think that's what they were paying the last guy the hour too. And to be honest, this is my opinion. I honestly think that they'll let Richard go. It's my opinion. They're going to save a lot of money with you versus them.
That was the whole thing.
Oh, they told you that?
No.
Oh. So that would be your leverage, though. If they let him go, say, well, you're going to have to pay me some more money.
We'll wait till the next day.
I would.
Not before. So wait till he gets out of the state.
Luckily, it's not that far into the state. 4 hours, he's gone.
There we go. Hey, Scott.
Wait till he's got another gig. So you might have to wait a day or two.
Y'all are making the same, right?
Do what?
Two road trips, right?
Yeah. So you already know what I'm making. That's why I said, if you can pay me what the rail temps, what y'all are doing. Look at that. Fucker's always complaining about us blowing the horn. They constantly complain that we blow the horn here. I'm like, call the FRA, get it, because it's just a private crossing. Yeah, get it freaking qualified. it's stuff like that that Janice doesn't know about.
Yeah.
So we have to tell her. And she's like, you can do that? I'm like, yeah. If it's just their private property.
What was that TP at right now?
It's up here at 10, right here at this next turn.
Will it be dark? No, it won't be dark.
Yeah, it'll be
We'll
dark.
see if they have their lights on.
Yeah, they might have their lights on tonight. I don't know. That's the first time I've seen those lights, so that's pretty cool though. They want to start selling that ticket, premium ticket, $350 in that seat you're sitting in.
Really?
I think so.
Maybe for that seat. For that seat, sure.
In Santa Fe, people pay that shit though. The tickets on the train are already $100 pop.
Really?
Yeah, for a 2-hour run.
Wow. Is that with dinner?
No, just snacks and drinks you can buy. There's that TP over there to your left. You can open that window if you need to.
Before they get taken down. What? The semaphore signals on the towing cell.
How'd you find out about that?
Oh, there's word of mouth, man. Yeah, I started this morning out by Wagon Mound. Worked my way back west while chasing 3.
Trying to be nice. I told him I don't give a shit. But...
I don't know if a window here. Go for it.
Right, both of them even. It's actually a freaking nice day.
It is beautiful out.
2 nights ago, I had so much chill blade on my hands, I didn't think I was going to get them to warm up. That's the only thing nice about it. No, I got no cameras, no recording devices. I'm able to invite people on to come play. They don't want to sell those seats. We want to be able to say, hey, no, come on. You know what I'm saying? Give the better ride.